Good morning, students of grade 2. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I am your maths teacher. Today, we are going to start block 16. Yes, block 16 is related to our length. Related to length. Okay, and we are doing our topic explanation. So, we are starting lesson 1. Lesson 1 is comparing length. Students, first of all, what is the meaning of length? Length means uh, uh, length means the distance of an object from starting point to end point. What is the distance of given object shape from starting point to end point? That's called length. That's called length. If I measure the length of this pencil, so the length of this pencil is will be start from tip, starting from tip and will end on the end point. So this one is length of our pencil. Okay, like I have eraser. Yes, I have eraser. So what is the length of eraser? From starting point to end point. From starting point to end point, that is called length. If we will measure starting point to this end point, this one is called length of eraser. Like I have a whitener. Yes, I have a whitener. So what is the length of whitener? Let's see. Starting point, from starting point to the end point, till the end point, that is called length of our object. That means length of whitener. Suppose I have a scale. Yes, I have a scale, or we can say ruler also. We can say ruler also. Okay, and from starting point to till end point, that's called length of our ruler. We can say ruler also to scale. Okay, now we are doing lesson 1. In lesson 1 we are doing comparing length. So students, tell me which one of these object is shortest length. सबसे छोटी लेंथ किसकी है? Yes, find out. Yes, we have shortest length is of eraser. And longest length, yes, longest length we have scale. Longest length is of scale. So these are comparing of length with objects. I hope you all are understand. Okay students, now come on lesson 2. Yes, in lesson 2, we are doing our length. But what is the lesson 2? Choosing the best measurement unit. Okay, we have some measurement units. These are measurement units. Okay, these are not fixed. These are not fixed. Okay, first we have digit. What is the digit? If we measure any length of object with our finger, okay, that's called digit. That's called digit. This point is called digit. Okay, this point is called digit. Like I have to measure the length of eraser. Like this, I have to find out the length of eraser. So if I measure with our fingertip, that's called measuring with digit 1 and 2. The length of eraser is 2 digit. Okay, the length of eraser is 2 digit. Okay, now next is hand span. What is the called hand span? What is the hand span? If I measure to anything with like this from starting point of our thumb till the end of the our little finger, this length is called hand span. Like this length is called hand span. Can I measure the length of eraser with hand span? No. We can measure with digit of eraser. But can we measure the length of pen with digit? Yes, we can measure with digit also, and we can use hand span also. So which one is better to measure the length of pen? Yes, hand span, not digit, because this one is easy. Okay. Next is cubit. What is the cubit? If we measure the length with our hand, starting from our finger till the end of our elbow, that's called cubit. That's called cubit. Next, foot span. Okay, foot span. With our foot, if we are measuring any length of object, that's with our foot span. Okay, with our foot span, that's called foot span. Okay, this one is called foot span. Next, pace. If we are measuring length with our legs, with steps, if we are walking like this, we are walking. So distance between two legs, distance between two legs, that called pace. Okay, and we have to find out which object is better to choose unit of measurement, like measurement of pen, eraser. Which unit is suitable for measuring like these objects, units? Okay, that's called measurement units. Okay, let's come on in our book. I hope you all are understand topic explanation about our length, lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay, bye bye.